Hey, beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to elevate your glow game in a major way, the Temptu S Airbrush Highlighter. If you're someone who loves that flawless, dewy finish, this liquid highlighter might just be the perfect addition to your makeup collection. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see. This liquid highlighter comes in a gorgeous gold shimmer shade designed to give your skin a natural, buildable glow. It's formulated by Temptu, a brand known for its professional-grade makeup products. The airbrush technology that this product utilizes is meant to provide smooth, even application, mimicking the flawless finish you'd get from a salon airbrush machine, without the need for an airbrush device. The highlighter is buildable, so you can go from a subtle glow to a more intense radiance, depending on your mood or the occasion. I've been using the Temptu S Airbrush Highlighter for the last couple of weeks, and I have to say, it's quite impressive. The consistency is smooth and lightweight, which makes it really easy to blend into the skin. I found it to work beautifully with both liquid foundations and powder formulas. I love that it doesn't feel heavy or sticky, which is often a concern with liquid highlighters. When applied, it gives off that perfect lit-from-within glow that doesn't sit on top of the skin, but rather melts in, creating a natural radiance. Now let's talk about the application. I used my fingers for a more subtle glow and a makeup sponge for a more intense airbrush-like finish. With the sponge, it really does mimic that high-end professional airbrush look. It's perfect for when you want to amp up your makeup for an evening out or a special occasion. And for daily wear, just a light tap with your fingers gives you a more natural highlight. It's definitely versatile in that sense. In terms of wear, I was pleasantly surprised at how well this highlighter stayed put. I applied it in the morning, and by the end of the day, my glow was still noticeable. Not in an oily way, but more like a healthy, radiant finish. So if you're someone who's concerned about longevity, this one holds up pretty well. Let's weigh in on the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is lightweight, easy to blend, and doesn't leave any sticky residue. It's also super versatile, working well with a variety of makeup bases, and the buildable coverage allows you to control how much glow you want. The gold shimmer is stunning, giving you that perfect, warm, sun-kissed look. On the flip side, if you're not a fan of liquid highlighters, this may take a little getting used to. It requires a bit of blending to avoid streaks or uneven application, especially if you apply too much. Also, because it's buildable, you might need to layer it a bit to achieve the intensity you want, but that's just part of the fun. So, how does this product measure up in terms of value for money? The price point may be a little higher than your typical drugstore highlighters, but given the quality and the professional-grade finish it provides, I think it's worth it. You're not just paying for the product, but the experience of getting that airbrush quality look at home. If you're someone who prefers a more budget-friendly alternative, there are some good options out there, though none quite replicate the smoothness and versatility of Temptu. If you want something more affordable, I'd suggest looking into drugstore liquid highlighters from brands like L'Oreal or Maybelline. But again, you may not get the same professional finish. The packaging is sleek and user-friendly, which is typical of Temptu products. It's easy to control the amount of product dispensed, which is essential when you're working with a liquid formula. As for customer service, I haven't needed to reach out to the brand, but Temptu is generally well regarded for its customer support. If anything were to come up, I'm confident they'd be responsive. Finally, let's talk about who would benefit most from the Temptu S Airbrush Highlighter. If you're someone who loves a radiant, airbrushed finish and doesn't mind spending a little more for a quality product, this highlighter is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for special occasions or daily wear, depending on your desired glow level. However, if you're new to highlighters or prefer something quicker and more straightforward, you might find this a little fussy to work with, especially if you're used to powder highlights. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Temptu S Airbrush Highlighter, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.